You know, there's a fine line between salvaging and theft. It's probably like a 50-foot monohull.
With Hurricane Irma, boats tossed. Here we are at this marina.
So there's a sunken sailboat in the on the edge of the anchorage here, and it's been sunk for over a year, nearly 2 years. Apparently someone salvaged it, put it in the mangroves, and then a storm came and then pushed it out of the mangroves, and it ended up sinking kind of on the edge of the anchorage. And everyone was contacting the owner to get rid of the boat, and he just ignored the messages and emails and stuff. So they considered it to be abandoned. Someone took the mast off it, and they're going to use it on their boat in the marina. There's pretty much nothing else left on it. We went snorkeling on it, but there is some stainless. There's like a handrail that goes around the boat, and this like half a bimini frame and stuff. There's actually quite a lot of stainless, but it looks really difficult to disassemble and get off. It is a hazard, and they just want it gone, and the owner's refusing to salvage it. It's abandoned, so we're gonna go snorkeling on it, and we're gonna see if we can get some of the stainless off it and see if we can salvage the stainless. You know, there's a fine line between salvaging and theft, and I've spent quite a bit of time Googling this before we go jump on the sailboat, and the consensus is that if all efforts have been made to contact the owner, who refuses to take responsibility, then the boat's open for salvage. And if you salvage the boat, how does it go? That you're entitled to a reward, the value up to the value of that boat. So if someone floats that boat and gets it into a marina somewhere, you wouldn't, because it's absolutely destroyed and abandoned. But if someone did, I guess they would be entitled to the reward up to the value of that boat, which means they can actually keep the boat. I think I've done enough research, and the marina manager said just go and take what you want off it anyway, so we're going to go ahead with it. But there is a fine line between theft and salvage. But yeah, I think we've covered all our bases, and we're going to go try salvage some stainless. There's a sunken boat right there, directly under us. We've tied one of our lines straight to it. You can see the stainless hand railing there. See if we can clean it up and reuse it, recycle it. What's up?
How you doing?
You know there's a boat down there.
Oh, yeah.
Look down.
Oh yeah. Oh, wow. I've seen that.
It's probably like a 50-foot monohull.
Flowers and the birds and bees, then all the lights, yeah, we're all affected. Watching, pray, pray, pray. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. So here's a reminder to look at life that's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know.
stainless. So now that we've got all the stainless onto the boat, it's completely overgrown with barnacles and coral and stuff. So now we're going to cut it into lengths that we can actually use and handle. Try scrape all the barnacles off, and then we're going to use muriatic acid to try clean them up. So we'll see how they go. I think most of it should clean up pretty nicely, so we'll get into it.
And now we see it all tumbling down. They should have fooled the band of baddies. And just like us, they do what we do. With one exception, we do it better. No one could love you like I do. We're breaking on, we're breaking up. What kind of virus am I to you? Easy as night, I am the few. Let's make this castle to Sleeping on night, sleeping with eyes wide open, and you're in between the lines. I won't take what you've been smoking. Oh no, oh no. No one could love you like I do. We're breaking on, we're breaking up. What kind of virus am I to you? Easy of night, I am the few. We make a castle to a ruin. Castle, ruin. Castle.
Hey guys, so we're here in the shipyard in Guatemala now, and we've finally been able to use the stainless that we salvaged. The main things that we used the stainless for was the seat that I'm sitting on here. I still have to make the seat top. We're going to do probably honeycomb wrapped with fiberglass, and then finish it with gel coat. And these two table frames, and I'm going to do two really nice tabletops on there. One's going to be for filleting fish, or filleting as you say in the States, and the other one's just, you can never have too much table space. So really happy with the result. We've realized that it's all stainless 316, the highest quality stainless. If we had to buy this much stainless, it would have cost hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So we've got a guy working for us here called Norman, and he welds all the stuff. These two tables and this chair cost me $250. So again, Guatemala is a great place to do boat work. We're really happy to be here. If you've watched until this far, I assume you've enjoyed the video, so give it a like. If you want to see more of our stuff, subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Thanks guys. Again, Guatemala is a great place to do So again, Guatemala is a great place to do boat work. We're really happy to be here.